Today I'm gonna be changing my spark plugs on my 2018 Honda CR-V. Let's get to it. Make sure you get a spark plug socket like this one. Look, it got the little rubber in this. Okay, let's get to it. I actually got ahead of myself. I took all the screws right here. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take them off. 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be 4 in here. I don't have anything to blow this with, but I'm gonna just use my own mouth. You know, make sure no dust falls in there. We got a little mess. Now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect all of these connectors. Okay. Start popping out these spark plugs. I'll take them out after I've got them all out. I don't want dust getting in there or nothing like that. Get all the screws out. Coil. Check out it. No money right now. 30. Shit. How do you shit? Easy peasy with that little rubber piece. Dude, that rubber piece is it. You don't even need the magnetic one. Number 10. Load it up. Like new.